Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. Before we get started, I would like to give a big shout out to these first 3 comments in my last video. Thank you so much for supporting me. I truly appreciate you. If you would like to be featured in my next video, all you have to do is just make sure you're subscribed to my channel, be one of the first 3 comments, and make sure you have your notification bell turned on so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. I would like to give a big thank you to Melodysusie for sponsoring today's video. They did go ahead and send over their brand new set of Fleurwee gift box gel nail polishes. They sent over to me their Urban Chic gift set. There are 3 different gift sets that you can choose from, and the best thing about these new gift sets is that they are plant-based gel polish. They are environmentally friendly color paste, free of harmful chemicals like aldehydes. They are HEMA-free, HPMA-free, and no TPO. The packaging of this gift box is absolutely gorgeous. Upon opening the gift box, you will receive this really pretty greeting card, and it says, "Thanks for choosing Melodysusie. This gift box contains 4 Fleurwee gel polishes, 1 set of your nail brushes, and 1 dried flowers and 1 dried flowered vase. Congratulations on acquiring this limited edition Fleurwee gift. With this exquisite collection, we celebrate your passion for nature and beauty. Enjoy it." And as you can see, it does come with a QR code that you can scan for more surprise gifts. These gel polish bottles are full size. They are 15 ml. Usually when you purchase gift sets, they do come in the little teeny tiny 7 ml bottles, but these are actually full size, which is a plus. And as you can see, this first color is black, and it does say on the information about the kit that as soon as you open the gel polish bottles, they do have a flowery scent. A different type of flower for each bottle is scented as you open it, and I did smell the black one, but I really couldn't smell it on that gel polish bottle. But as far as upon opening the pink, the white, and the red that also came in this kit, I was able to smell the flower scent, and it smelled so good. This pink is absolutely gorgeous. It does have a little bit of some glitter shimmer in it, and you can't really see it on camera, but in person you're absolutely gonna love it. I can't wait to use this color to do my French base color on the nails. Next is this white color, and I've heard great things about it from other videos, so I'm anxious to use it. I'm actually gonna go ahead and make a set in my next video using this kit, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next upload whenever I do go ahead and upload that video. The next color is that really pretty red, and it just looks so gorgeous. I am going to go ahead and swatch these for you here in a bit after I finish unboxing the package. So as you can see, in the center is the little vase for the dried flowers, and then it tells you to go ahead and unlock this layer to enjoy the gift of Fleurwee. And as you can see, it comes with 2 sheets of nail stickers, and then it also comes with the dried flowers as promised, and it comes with your nail brushes that you need to go ahead and do your nail art. And these stickers are just so pretty. I can't wait to use them. I do love the green, that's my favorite color, but I am going to go ahead and use these rose stickers for the set that is going to be in my next video, so be sure to stay tuned for that. And I was so anxious to go ahead and open up these dried flowers to put them in the vase. I've seen this kit on other videos, and I was just so anxious and just so excited to be one of the channels that gets to showcase this. So thanks again, Melodysusie. I truly appreciate it. And they are real dried flowers. They're so pretty. And as you put them inside the little vase, it just makes a really nice little prop on your desk. So thank you so much, Melodysusie. all of the details of this kit when it comes to, you know, the packaging, just the products that are inside, and then this unique little gift that they include inside just all comes together, and I believe it's just worth every penny. So go ahead and go check out on Melodysusie's website. This kit, I believe right now they are on sale for $39.99, and I will go ahead and leave their website linked in the description box below so that you can go and check it out for yourself. And right now I am going to go ahead and show you all the nail art brushes that comes with this kit. Again, this gives you everything that you need to go ahead and do your own manicure at home, which is beginner friendly. And I just love that it comes with all these different nail art brushes, because finding good brushes is hard to find. And this just gives you everything from your striping brush to your French brush to your 3D brush, dotting tools, everything you could absolutely want in your nail art brushes all in one. And it does also tell you how to go ahead and care for your nail art brushes in the back of the package, from getting it ready to use, because whenever you do get nail art brushes, it does have like a powdery waxy feel on them just for protection, you know, while it's being shipped. And it tells you how to go ahead and remove that. And then after you're done using your nail brushes, it does tell you how to care for them. When it comes to taking off the gel polish, you don't want to use acetone. Do not use acetone for your nail art brushes, because that will destroy the bristles faster. I personally just use alcohol and I just wipe it off with the paper towel. And I do make sure that I have my nail art brushes standing up just so that they keep their shape. But if you go ahead and look at the directions on the back of the box for how to care for your brushes, it's very detailed. So if you've never known how to care for your brushes, that's also included behind the package. So that's really helpful. Now I'm going to go ahead and swatch the colors for you, and for the sake of the video I did just do one coat on camera, and I did cure for 30 seconds, and then off camera I am going to go ahead and apply a second coat for each color. So I'll go ahead and let you enjoy that process, and I'll be back in a bit. Okay, here's all 4 colors after I went ahead and applied that second coat, and I did go ahead and cure for full 60 seconds. And just look at that pigmentation and coverage. These just are just perfect. I absolutely love these polishes. They smell so good. I kept trying to smell the black nail polish, and to me it smells like black licorice. I'm not a fan of it, but as far as the other 3 colors, they did smell really good, and I highly recommend you go ahead and purchase this kit again from Melodysusie's website. And I can't wait to go ahead and show you the design that I came up with using this kit. It's absolutely amazing, and for everything that you get with it, the price is just perfect. It's spot on, worth it. So go ahead and pick up this kit from Melodysusie's website. This is everything that comes with it: your nail art brushes with the dotting tools, your nail stickers, the 4 colors, and the flowers with the vase, and the box. You can go ahead and keep it because it's so gorgeous. Make sure you leave a comment down below if you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye.